Selling on Depop, how to make Depop seller account. If you want to sell on Depop and make a Depop seller account, all you have to do is just simply open up your browser, go to Depop Sell and search for Depop Sell, and you'll find the seller website from Depop. So go to Depop/start selling over here, as you can see. Then once you're here, you will find the option to download the app. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and click on the Google Play link, or you can tap on the sign up option from the top right. If you're short of time, you can directly continue with your Google account or your Apple ID if you're using an iPhone. Otherwise, you can also create an independent account by tapping on continue with email. Then all you have to do here is to make sure to enter your first name and your last name and your email address, your username and password and the location and so on. Then just hit the next option from the bottom, and once you've done that, you will be able to finish creating your Depop seller account. You might also be asked to actually enter your shop and your business information. If that's also asked, you might want to make sure to enter that. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.